Let's design a Disney-inspired brand identity. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today is a magical day. We are going to build a brand based on Cinderella. So my idea here is that I really wanted to challenge myself every week with a new brand identity, and I wanted to build those brand identities based on some characters. And if you have to know something about me is that I love everything Disney related, and I thought, why don't I just create businesses that are inspired by Disney princesses? So I have made a list with a lot of those Disney princesses. So to give you an example, I did last week Snow White, and Snow White had to make something to do with the apple, so I made an apple juice brand called Snow White, and you can already see it in my Instagram profile as of right now, so go check it out if you are curious about this brand. But today we are designing for Cinderella. Alright, the industry of this Disney inspired brand is going to be shoes. Everything is the movie reminds us of these crystal shoes that she is losing when meeting the prince. So we need to build a brand for a business called Cinderella, and they are selling luxury heels. So for this brand, we are thinking chic and a lot of sparkles and beautiful and obviously blue. And I'm going to show you the process on where my mind is going while designing this Disney-inspired brand. The step one here is obviously to create a mood board. I have done nothing yet. I have no idea what direction I'm going, so it's all freestyle brand design. I just have the idea and who they are. So we're going to start by creating a mood board. I find this app called Milanote. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's Milanote, and it's a pretty cool to create mood board. At first I was doing it on Notion, but I really like it better on Milanote. This is where I do all my mood boards now, and then I export this mood board and put it directly into Adobe Illustrator, so I don't have to do multiple mood boards. We are going to go into Milanote, and obviously we are going to go into Pinterest to find some inspiration for this brand. Let's go into Milanote and let's get some mood board going. Just see how I used Milanote to create this really quick mood board. I just drag and drop stuff from Pinterest and from other websites and put it right there. I'm also creating my color palette from there too, or at least some ideas of where I want to go with the color palette, and I drag some links as well to get fonts and all. So after that, now this is step number 2, and we're going to sketch out some ideas on my iPad, see what I can come up with. There's also really nice typefaces that I want to try that are from Invento Elements. I think that will be that could be awesome, but I kind of want to start drawing maybe some shoes and all of that and see if we can include them inside the logo. So let's do this right now. sketched about 3 different images representing shoes and legs, and now I have downloaded on Inventor Element the fonts that I put on the mood board, and I've already started putting the mood board and those fonts displayed on an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. So we're going to go into step 3, which is making this logo. So let's do it. Alright, you guys, we have a couple of logos in black and white. Kind of like the result. I cannot wait to show you. You've seen the beginning of it. I started with a script font as luxury heels, and I do not like it, so I switched to serif font. But to show you in a little bit when we are going to choose colors now and see how we are going to make this color palette matching with this really cool logo.
When you didn't have to, but now I'm in calm waters. You hoped I might drown. I thought I couldn't breathe without you, but I'm fine above ground. And calm waters come as fast as they go. I just want things to feel the same. They won't. Now I'm in calm waters. I can swim for myself. It's funny, but baby, you've been needing my help. And you might say I'm heartless, but my heart is hard to find. And now I'm in calm waters, I can leave you behind. But now I'm in calm.
I'm actually pretty impressed about where this brand is going, and I really like those colors, so you gotta let me know what you guys think, but I think it works well. This dark blue with the gray is very chic, so I really like that. Alright, let's find some imagery for this brand and let's see how it would look with the logo on it. It's looking so good with the images, you guys. I am loving it. For the little time I spent on this brand and the no idea I had before started, I think it's going good. Alright, the next step in my branding process will be to make some mock-ups, adding those different logo variations to it and see how it would look. So I invite you to stay until the end, since I will be revealing those mockups plus the entire brand all together. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. It was super fun to do this with you, and I cannot wait to see you again next Wednesday. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future graphic design with me video. Alright, thank you so much, and until next time, take care.